Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone software and getting straight to settings. Open Settings and verify One UI/Android version because some menus differ. Next, go to Privacy and disable ads personalization so targeted ads stop. This reduces tracking and ad relevance. While you're there, go into Apps, pick the biggest offenders like free games and social apps, and block or limit their notifications to stop pop-up ad interruptions. Once done, make sure changes saved before moving on. Now you tackle the sources. Start by restricting background data for apps that flood you with ads. This prevents them from fetching new ads in the background. Then open Samsung Internet and install a vetted ad block extension via Menu Extensions. Enable it for all sites you visit. Next, disable notifications and promotional content from Samsung services. Check Galaxy Store and Samsung Push service in system apps because they often serve targeted ads. Once configured, test browsing and finish by applying advanced blocks and a single troubleshooting method. Consider paying for premium, ad-free versions of essential apps that eliminates ads and supports developers. For broader protection, switch to a privacy-focused DNS or use network tools like Pi-hole to block ad domains at the router level. This stops ads for every device on your network. If ads still appear, reboot into safe mode to isolate the problematic app. Once identified, uninstall or tighten its permissions. If needed, repeat earlier steps to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.